Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a My Creative Times design team project, and I'm just going to jump right in. So today I am using the birthday celebration ephemera. That would be this one right here. And I think the banners that I got was from this one, the loopy tags and banners. So I'm using that one as well. And then I'm also using the Let's Celebrate 2025, and I'm using yellow papers out of there. And then from the gift card sentiment stamp and dies, I'm using just this one right here, along with Let's Celebrate, which is the stamp that I chose. And hopefully you can see that. And then my challenge was to make a gift card, and so I would just kind of thinking outside of the box, and I am using this here. And so what I did was I ran it through, cut this off and cut this off, and I'm just using this. And so when you see my gift card, this is the flap that I folded up instead of turning it into the box. And that is the heart top box die. And here goes this adorable little gift card that I made using that heart top box die. It is so cute. I thought it turned out adorable. And like I said, I did fold up that flap to make a little pocket there, so it just slips in and out. And then this is where I put that little bear that I chose to use, and the Let's Celebrate going right across the top. I did add some stickles on there as well, and then I chose some of the balloons that were out of there and the little banner. And then what I did was I just I ran it in the star paper first, the star one, and then I flipped it over and just ran a couple pieces of that just to get the little design mark on there, so I knew where to cut and to lay these down. On the back side, just to make it thicker, I put a clear piece of paper, but you could always leave it just as it is. I just wanted mine a little bit thicker though. But I thought it turned out so cute and adorable. Just a different way to make use of most of the dies that we get. Just kind of think outside of the box. Pun intended. Since it was a heart treat box is what, yeah. Anyways, I really like this, and I like how it turned out. So hopefully you will give it a try. Like I said, that was my challenge, was to make a gift card holder, and that's what I did. All right, so I will have my Creative Times store link down below if you haven't had a chance to pick up any of these items. Also, if you'd like to use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, you may do so, or any of the designers. And that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Oh, and I hope everybody had a wonderful time celebrating Christmas and New Year's. I sure did. And I'm ready to go back to work. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great one.